Hello, friends. This is another day. Daniel Chi. Yeah, Daniel Chi is my name. Today I'll be talking about reasons why some visa application gets denied. Yeah, it's so painful, after the stress, running around, time wasting, money spending here and there. And then you realize that the visa came and there was no sticker on it. It was kind of not approved. The pain you feel, you feel angry, so it's not good. So because you made some mistakes, so by the way, if your visa was once denied, don't worry. There's still opportunity. You can still check the reasons that was given to you, and then you can make some amendments, so the next time you will be more successful. So right here now, I'll be outlining some of the reasons why some visa applications get denied. So if this is your first time kind of are going to apply for visa, Shanghai, whichever one, you just have to pay attention to these things so that you don't repeat mistakes. So now one of the first is your passport. Make sure that your passport is new and still have some empty pages, like 5 no, or 10, 15 pages still empty, so, and also make sure the passport still have a long period, like a long expiry date, not a passport with just 2 months or 1 month expiry date. Also make sure the passport is a new one, like it's clean, the pages are clean, not torn, so this could also guarantee you, because sometimes they look at these little things that you ignore too. So secondly, make sure the photo specification, the photograph, the specified one is the one you're going to use, so you go online and check the required specification of the photo. Normally they require white background. You don't have to put any makeup, just look real as you are. No artificial things on your, like earring, lipsticks, all those things. Just take those things away. Just be real, okay? They need to get your real face, okay? So photo, then also all the documents that you'll be presenting on that day, make sure that they're all original, because if you like, you can get like 5, 10 documents, but if one is fake, it could affect your chances, because you may think that they will not go to verify them or investigate on these things, call the offices responsible to ask questions, so they will do these things. So you are ignoring them, but they don't ignore these things. So please make sure the yellow card, which you will be bringing on that day, submitting to them, the yellow card is real, it's original. Then also your birth certificate, marriage certificate, your admission letters, employment letters, letter of no objection from your company, you know. So make sure that all these letters, all these documents are original. And please, if you are employed, make sure the employment letter carries the letter heading, the heading of the company, and also the official stamp, the official seal of that company. So if you are bringing a letter of no objection from your company, a letter of identification from them saying they know you, they permit you to travel, they are aware of your journey, you are working with them, that letter, make sure it carries the letter heading of that company and also the stamp and the signature of the management involved. Because if they don't see these things, it could make them feel like you just forged it. Okay, so every document should be original with stamp also. Remember to use a good translator when translating your document. Okay, make sure the translator is a good one, you know, because some of them could make mistakes in their writing, spellings, so make sure you're using a good translator to translate all these documents to the language of the country you'll be going to, whether France, Germany, Spain, Italy. Make sure the translator is a good one. So we proceed to your statement of account. Yeah, they always require statement of account, but some people normally go through the agent to get a fake one. So please, if you are going to get a statement of account, make sure it's original and make sure there's money in there at the period when you'll be making this statement. And not just after making the statement of account, then you go and withdraw all the money away. No, this is why some people fail too. You don't have to withdraw the money until the process is over, until you have gotten the visa. Then you can withdraw the money, okay? So you know the required amount. Like I said before, at least you can have to have about 6,000, 5,000 euro in your account. It's a kind of guarantee because this will make them feel like you're going to come back. you know you're going to also come back. You can transport yourself, you can feed, you can look after yourself while you're in Europe, you're in that country where you're planning to go visit. So because they will also know that you won't be stranded. So if you're going to use a statement of account of your parents, uncle, brother, sister, make sure it's also original and also carries the stamp, a kind of stamp from that bank. So please, if you're going to use agents, for those who are using agents, get informed well. Make sure that this agent is not the fake ones. Make sure that all the documents will be original. But sometimes me myself, I can't guarantee you. These agents have put a lot of people in trouble. So this you can do yourself. You can get all these things yourself, so you'll be sure that you are not getting anything wrong at all. Okay. Then another one is your traveling, this thing they call it the insurance. Traveling insurance and flight reservation ticket. Don't get a fake one. You can go online, depending on the airline, because these days online you can see on their website the dummy tickets. Yeah, it's always there. You can just download it. It's a kind of reservation that you're going to book with them. They don't charge you for it. It's just free. So there's no need going through agents and getting a fake one, because these embassies still have a way to verify through the airline to know whether this flight reservation ticket is real or not, is original or not. So also the insurance, all this you can get online. There are agencies, there are offices that do these things. So going through agents don't guarantee you much. But when you do it yourself, you are sure of what you got and you have confidence in your visa application. Also your traveling itinerary, the history, traveling itinerary. So you have to be sure to specify, when you'll be outlining how your journey will be like to them. You have to be sure to specify where you will be, like telling them in this month I'll be in Milano, after 3 days I'll be in France. You have to give dates, of this journey, and where you'll be lodging, the locations, the hotels, where you'll be staying, whether it's in B&B or not. And also even the B&B, the hotels, you can also have a reserved room. You can book a reserved room. Yeah, they do it, booking on arrival. So when you arrive, then you can now go pay, so they don't charge you. So it's free. You just book it. When you're now coming to that hotel, then you can now pay. So this you can all get just for free. You don't have to pay. So now why wasting your money going through agents? So if you get these things right, then don't get the fake ones. Get the original ones. So now also another one is a traveling history can also affect you. Traveling history, yeah, because if you have already traveled before and you keep applying for another visa to another country and they keep rejecting you, the reasons could now be that your traveling history, because maybe they have checked through your visa pages, they discover that you overstayed when you went to France, you overstayed when you went to this country, that country. So it could also affect you. They could say, no, they can't give it to you because from your history, they have discovered that you do overstay, So please, when you make your journey, don't overstay. You can even come back a week before then, 3 days before your expiry, before the visa expires. Another thing that could affect you is most of the time, the countries you have visited, those who visit like Iran, these terrorist regions. So if you visit these countries, they will assume that maybe you have a connection with the terrorists, and then they could look at you like a suspect. So it could also affect your chances. So please, when traveling, know places you visit. Also, another one is your criminal record, the country where you are domiciled in, you are living in. If you have criminal records, maybe whether it's 4 years ago, 5 years ago, and they go find out that you have a criminal record, I think they'll be scared of giving you visa because they want people who be traveling to their country to be clean. So please, that could also be a factor. So in all this in general, all I'm trying to say is that for each and every document you'll be applying or submitting to them, they are going to verify it through lawyers, agencies who they are going to pay some money to go verify all these documents, starting from your passport, your international passport, to the last document that will be required. They will investigate all, and from there they can make their final decision. And make sure that your reasons for traveling, the cover letter where you'll be writing your reasons for traveling and the rest, make sure you give good reasons. You must have good reasons, strong one, because sometimes they're also going to ask you, you should tell them about that country you are going to travel in. Like, for example, if you are traveling to Italy, France, Germany, you have to tell them what you know about that country. You have to just explain a little bit. So you have to do more research, read about that place where you'll be visiting. So in all these, when you clarify all these things, then you are rest assured that you have almost 90% chances of getting your visa. There's nothing to have doubting. But when you decide to go through agent, the problem could be that you could have problem with immigration when you go to that country. At the airport there, you could have problems, and none of you would like to be into immigration troubles or go to prison in another man's country. So please make sure that everything you are going to bring is original. And please, if you don't have enough money in your account, don't even try to go apply for this visa, because they are going to reject you straight ahead. You must have the required amount, the required money needed. Okay? So, I'm leaving you now. I'm Daniel Chi signing out. Please show me some love by liking my video. You can also share this video. You never can tell who you're going to help. Also subscribe. Tell me what you think. If I missed anything, you can check write it in the comment section. And we can all help each other to grow. Okay? So please, in all these things, you don't have to let anyone deceive you, even the agents. They don't have to keep taking your money and making you waste money year after year, promising you to get your visa. All you have lacked all these years is the knowledge. And the knowledge also I shared with you. You can also check online at the website of the country where you're planning to visit or travel to for tourists. You can check the official website and get more information about specifications of and the required documents needed. Then also you will realize that you have been wasting your time and your money to these agents. So please get informed, because knowledge is power. Okay, one love. Wish you good luck in your visa application. I'm Daniel Chi signing out. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.